What are some hygiene tips everyone should know? If something is worth doing, it's worth half-assing it. Say you're running late and need to be out the door 10 minutes ago, it's still worth giving your teeth a 10-second scrub rather than skipping it. Deodorant is not meant to go on top of bad smells. The bad smells come from bacteria. Shower first, then put deodorant on. It works by making your skin uninhabitable for bacteria. The nice scent is the cherry on top. The main benefit is preventing the bad smell from growing. I used to live in a very hot, humid place. I found that the only thing that kept my groin area from smelling funky was to wash daily and to make sure everything got really well dried out afterwards. Towels didn't quite cut it. So, yes, I blow dry my lady garden. Not inside my vulva, but outside and around. Keeping my pubes trimmed short and changing into clean underwear often also helped. This also applies if you have fat rolls or loose skin folds. Yes, I have both. Wash well in between skin folds, such as under breasts and between belly rolls. I like Dr. Bronner's soap, but any soap will do. Dry thoroughly afterwards. This will prevent smells, and will also prevent itching and rashes. Also, Lume deodorant works really well for these areas. Also, one more thing, deodorant is water resistant. It won't wash off by just splashing water on it. You need to give it a good scrub with soap to get it all the way off your skin. If you don't get all the old deodorant washed away, the new deodorant you apply won't work. It has to be fresh deodorant on clean skin. Even if you don't like the way your body looks, take care of it. It's where you live. If you have back acne, lean your head forward to rinse your hair products or wash your back thoroughly with soap after rinsing your conditioner/last product. Most people lean their head backward to rinse, which washes their hair products all down their back. If you wash with soap after, no biggie, but many people wash their body first, typically while letting the conditioner sit in their hair for a few minutes and thus rinsing after. In which case, you step out of the shower with hair product residue all down your back and ass. For some people and products, it's fine. For others, it causes skin irritation and acne. It should always be your first step in trying to eliminate backne, just in case it's the cause for you. Edit. Since some discourse is happening below, wanted to give a quick rundown. Things that can cause acne, for some people. Non-exclusive list. Products, soap, lotion, sunscreen, etc. Keep an eye out for those ones that you don't deliberately put on your skin but end up there anyway, like the hair products. See also, laundry detergent/other laundry products. Finding the products that work for you and identifying the ingredients that you are sensitive or reactive to is pretty central to skin care, and yes, it's an individual process unfortunately. Using harsh exfoliation or exfoliating too often. Overwashing/not moisturizing and protecting your skin enough to tolerate washing. Hormones. Sweat left on the skin/keeping sweaty clothes on. Things that do not cause acne. Opening your pores with hot water then failing to close your pores with cold water after. Pores do not open and close, do not fluctuate in size with temp, and are always open as per their fundamental function. They can get clogged/filled though, so cleaning and exfoliating is good. Ingesting sugar. This comes with a major caveat in that a diet high in sugar does have systemic impacts that can promote acne. However, it is by no means a direct line between sugar consumption and acne. Critically, you can be a person whose acne is arguably worsened by their sugar intake and still see very little improvement from cutting sugar because one or more of the above triggers is still present. You can also be a person who eats sugar but manages the resulting effects, with or without conscious effort, and thus has no acne. Every acne-ridden kid in the world has been told they should just stop eating sweets, and it rarely helps because there are a lot of easier/more fundamental things you should attempt and address before going straight to the major diet change. That being said, it definitely has been a lifesaver for some people, so if you're stuck after trying all the things, it's not a bad idea to look at. Clean every obscure surface in your house that your hands continually come into contact with. Scrub the underside of your toilet seat and lid. Wash behind your ears. It's not an old wives' tale that grandma scold kids with. There are lots of oil-producing sebaceous glands there. You can get a nasty smell, and you can even get flaky skin or cheese buildup behind there if you don't wash with soap. Wash your glasses, in the sink, with warm, not hot, water and gentle, non-antibacterial soap. Your face secretes oil, and a lot of it gathers in your eyebrows. It will pool in the cracks between the frame and lenses, gather in noxious scummy boogers on the nose pads, and in the hinges as well. Once it's built up, no matter how hard you try to clean your lenses, you'll just smudge them up because of that oil. The face oil will oxidize and turn bright green, then yellowish, then brown. It smells terrible. I wash mine about once every 2 weeks with a drop of Dawn dish soap and warm water. Also, wash your glasses cleaning cloth at least as frequently. They get infused with nasty face oil. Don't use fabric softener on the cleaning cloth, as it will make the cloth oily in the dryer and you'll just be smearing new, fancy oil on your lenses. Hand washing your cloth in the sink works just fine. Source: I am a licensed optician and have had to scrub countless pairs of glasses. Edit: please don't use paper towels or tissues on your lenses, unless they are specifically made for glasses. Microfiber cleaning cloths are best, but if you don't have those, use a clean, soft cotton t-shirt or dish towel that has not been washed using fabric softener. Fabric softener is basically oil and wax that gets in your clothes, and will streak your glasses right back up. Paper products like paper towels are abrasive to your lenses and will scratch them over time. Windex will murder your lenses, avoid at all costs. Ultrasonic cleaners are great to get in the crevasses, but the solution used for jewelry is a little rough on glasses. Use water with a drop of dish soap and a splash of rubbing alcohol and you're in the clear, pun intended. You don't need to use this as often, as it's very effective and almost overkill unless the glasses are way nasty. If you use an ultrasonic, please change out your tub of soap and water frequently, as bacteria can grow in there over time. Thank you for the awards, kind strangers. My dentist told the kids, if you only brush once, brush at night. She also said, if you let your kids trick or treat, allow them to eat all of the candy as soon as possible so as to get all sugar past their teeth as soon as possible. Check the nostrils. Just check, make sure no boogies are hanging out, hanging around, planning an escape. It sucks to be the person to have to tell you. Go to the dentist. Don't be embarrassed if you haven't been there in a while. There's nothing that they haven't seen before. Most bad breath comes from not cleaning your tongue, so even if you brush your teeth twice a day but don't use a tongue scraper, your breath might still be bad. Clean the inside of your fridge every month. Forgotten food, open cans, bottles can grow up an insane amount of bacteria and fungus that could be dangerous. Brush your teeth before having bed wars. Edit: your partner will thank you for the fresh breath. As some have commented, better to use mouthwash before one-night stands or new relationships. There's less risk of bleeding gums and transmitting STDs. I haven't seen this mentioned yet, so forgive me if it's already been said. Make your home a shoes-free environment. I know some folks are concerned about their foot odor. Others feel that a doormat is sufficient in wiping one's feet at the entryway. Keep in mind that if you've set foot into a public restroom, you're basically tracking whatever you stepped on into your home. I have severe clinical depression and these are some things I've been told that were game changers for me. 1. Clean clothes and a hot shower will make you feel like $1 million on your worst days. 2. If you have long hair that tends to knot a lot, brush your hair wet and start from the bottom and work your way up towards your scalp. 3. If you can't bring yourself to put your clothes away, start piles. You know what's clean, you know what's dirty, and what you can wear again. Edit: holy shit, I was not expecting this comment to blow up. Thank you everyone for all the awards, helpful tips, support, taking the time to read, offer tips, and support one another. Reading all these comments has made my entire year and really moved me. You're all so kind and wonderful. We're all in this together, chin up, keep fighting, and know my DMs are always open if anyone needs an ear, one day at a time. This thread is such an eye-opener. The amount of stuff I swore was common knowledge is now being shared as tips. And as a side note, who in the fuck said washing between your butt cheeks, the literal place most prone to being ridden with shit, with soap, was gay? How is not wanting to have shit on your skin 24/7 gay? So many questions. I really hope y'all are taking care of yourselves. Just brushing your teeth won't take away your stinky breath. Brush the tongue and roof of your mouth as well. A lot of people just brush the teeth. Clean your piercings. Take your earrings out regularly and wash your ears/soak your earrings in peroxide to clean. Wash your entire body, not just the upper half, in between your toes need washed as well. Clean your watch. Things are sitting against your grimy skin all day. Even the sport bands need a cleaning. Having 2 bands helps cleaning ones that need a soak. Thank you for watching Reddit Stories. May you and your loved ones have a blessed day.